Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to CUBOT Note 9. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both smartphones and install the app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other smartphone. Now choose Send on an Android, Receive on CUBOT and finally tap on all of those dots and click on Send. This way you will select all of those and transfer them later on. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go with this one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got It, only for example. Now on CUBOT, scroll down, choose No Thanks or Yes I agree. Then select Close this window and now we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code using this CUBOT scanning icon, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing this device's camera at the QR code. We can also input this key over here though and choose Receive. Either way, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!